Hello and welcome to a new video. Why do I sound like a freaking robot? Anyway, welcome to a new video, guys. Today no tutorials, no nothing. Mustang week is over, as you guys have seen. I uploaded, oh yeah, the exhaust. That was the last video I did. The exhaust on Mustang. Today I'm pretty much going to stand in the wind. I'm sorry. Also last time, I'm sorry for the last video. The microphone was, the microphone is a little, it's a little different. I gotta figure out something with that microphone. Anyway, today is a little windy day. I'm over here on a empty parking lot with my car, and I'm going to show you not all my mods, but like the most mods that jump out to you, because I had somebody ask me in the 2 videos ago if I could make a video about my car and all its mods. So pretty much what we're gonna do today, show you the main mods on this car, from wrap to wheels and all the other things. I know I did a video like this 1.5 years ago. A little bit has changed since then, so yeah, I hope you guys like this content. Okay, so this is my 2003 Ford Mustang GT NA. Nothing really done on the engine other than cold air intake, bigger throttle body, some tune, exhaust, you know, the usual, what everybody does on a Mustang. But overall, that's pretty much it on the performance-wise. It has a tune. Did I say tune? I don't know if I said tune. It has a tune. So this car is more focused on appearance, because I have my Kia Stinger at home. That thing is my go fast car without spending a lot of money. I spend a lot of money on the car, but spending a lot of money on mods. Let's say it like that. Here is my car. It is a 2003 Ford Mustang. The original color is black. As you can see, it's not black anymore. I got it wrapped now almost a year ago. October 31st, I think it was done, or November 1st or something. It was a Halloween special thing. If you didn't see the video, you better check that video out. It is also my channel trailer kind of, so as soon as you jump on my channel, you see that video if you didn't subscribe yet. So yeah, this is the color. It is a color change between, what color do you see right now? Gray, purple, green, purple, blue, yellow, depending how the sun hits. It is kind of cloudy today, so but here you can see some yellow, purple, green. Yeah, that's for the main appearance mods, the main appearance thing, because not everybody has this color. Actually, on Mustang Week I didn't see one person with this kind of color on a car, called Avery Dennison Lightning Ridge Gloss. What I heard, they don't make this color anymore. So this is gonna be a one-off. At least that's what my rep guy said. If you guys didn't see that video, like I just said, it's on my channel. Bullet Auto, he wrapped my car. If you guys want a wrap job, you are in the North Carolina area, especially Raleigh area, check this guy out. He lives in Cary and he does a really good job wrapping stuff. So yeah, what else do we got? We got the paint. Now, a thing that I just recently did I do a video about this? I did do a video about this, custom emblems, that's right. The emblems right there, can't even see it right here. I did those myself. They are blue, just like the horse in the front. I finished that too. This is the horse. If you haven't seen it yet, this is like a Terminator style horse. Looks like a mechanical horse something. Also something not everybody has, and everybody at Mustang Week was like, oh, look at that horse. I didn't see a lot of custom horses on Mustangs this year, so I was kind of disappointed. Anyway, and then we got one more emblem back here, also blue. My future plans for the blue, also getting the brake calipers blue in the front, which brings us to the next thing. I have the Cadillac ATS brake caliper Brembo upgrade, and I have a message. Okay, it's just Facebook. So pretty much it's a 13-inch rotor, I think. I don't know, I don't remember. But anyway, it's a bigger brake. Pretty much fills out the whole wheel, as you can see. Brake caliper was supposed to be white. It's kind of yellowish now because I used spray paint. Don't ever use spray paint on a brake caliper. So those gonna be powder coated at some point in also the same blue, or trying to get it close to the same blue. Then the next thing you can see is the Aodan or Aodan, I don't know how you say that. Aodan DS01. I got those from Fitment Industries. Some people already hit me up through their page actually on my Instagram because they saw it on Fitment Industries. It's an 18-inch 9.5 by 18 by 9.5 in the front and a 18 by 10.5 in the rear with 315s. 315, 30, 18 Toyo Proxys R888R, which probably broke my rear axle because it does make a noise still. I didn't get it fixed yet. Exhaust wise, we got the, if you haven't seen the last video, it's the stock headers to pipes, off-road H-pipe, to Baller Stinger or Baller S-type mufflers, to a 5-inch exhaust tip which needs to be powder coated as well because I spray painted it. And as you can see, it comes off, like you can probably, you can scratch the paint off of it. It's been on there for like almost 2 years now. Yeah, so that's another appearance mod. What else do we got? The front lip. Yeah, that's right, the front lip. Everybody asks me about the front lip. I built it myself. There is a video on my channel that actually goes into detail how to build this. I built it last year. It's just some ABS plastic that's screwed in, and then I use these splitter rods which you can get from Amazon or eBay right here. Just screw it into the bumper because I don't give a crap if it's not screwed into the bumper because I don't care. I know it's not supposed to, but I'm not racing this car, so why would I worry about it? Which also leads us to the splitter rods in the rear. So we got this nice wing. Everybody asks me about this wing. Not anymore that much because I probably put out this video, don't do this. Still don't do this. I'm surprised I didn't lose that wing yet. But I probably put these splitter rods back here. So this is the MP concepts? MB concepts? I don't know. I'm gonna put it pop up right here. It's gonna be in the video. MP concepts, I think it is, on American Muscle. I don't know if it's still available, but I had to cut the corners off because it looked kind of weird. The corners that came further out than the car did, so I cut those round. And then we got these splitter rods right here that pretty much make sure this doesn't go anywhere. This is anywhere. That's pretty solid now, so it doesn't go anywhere. That's it for the spoiler, I guess. Taillights, because people ask me too. Those are eBay LED sequential taillight. If you're lucky, you can find them right now because of all the COVID bullcrap. They're kind of hard to get, so good luck. I think they are actually back in stock, but they're really expensive or something. I don't know. Going from rear lights to the headlights, which they need some work. So here we got the custom built headlights. I built them myself. They have a shroud that I forgot what it's called, and a lens that I forgot what it's called, and this LED bar which doesn't work right now because I unplugged all the cables because I have to rerun them, make them all nice and stuff. But the LED bar, Demon Eye in the middle, they have like RGB colors. If I would wire it back up, then I could show you, which I didn't. Yeah, and then we have the half halo. It's not a whole halo, it's like half a halo. I can turn those lights on. Let me turn it on real quick. There we go. It's half a halo right here that goes like, it looks like a BMW. That's what most people say. It looks like a BMW. I think it fits pretty good to the car because it makes it kind of look aggressive and mean. As you can see, the fog lights are, what are they called? Morimoto XBT. I don't know. They are the LED fog lights from Morimoto, the super expensive ones. Yeah, that's it for that. Let me show you the engine bay just because there's nothing in there. Got my nice hood pins, which I wish I wouldn't have done those. Don't do hood pins unless your hood really asks for it and it doesn't have like a thingy to hold in the hood thingy. Let's come to one of the most important mods you can get for this car if you work on it a lot, and that's hood struts. Probably the best purchase I did ever. Hood struts. They open my hood and I don't have to worry about it anymore. I don't have the stupid hood prop thing anymore. And I got a message again. Okay, it's my sister. Engine. That's it. This is white because, as you might remember, last year the car was like a black and white theme. We got a black car with all the white Rammstein stuff. Since then we went off with that, and this is still white. I'm thinking about doing this the same blue like the horse is. Thinking about it because it's a lot of work to get this strut tower removed, strut brace. But yeah, here we got the Bbk Cold Air Intake, which doesn't really do cold air that much, so this is just a for looks and sound thing. It doesn't really do performance at all. Tower brace, strut brace, tower thing doesn't really do anything either. Really not. I mean, it looks good in corners, I guess. Then we got the Bbk 78mm throttle body, which, I mean, it's the same as the regular one. I mean, it's not the same size, but it feels the same literally. There's no difference in performance at all. Got our nice gator belt so nothing squeaks. And that's pretty much it. Under the hood, as you can see, we got some BC Racing coilovers. Coilovers in the front, and then the spring slash shock in the rear, which gives the car a nice stance if I had the right wheels. Some people might have realized already. It looks like I have the drag tires in the front because I ordered the wrong size for the Firestones. They are 275/40 18 and they're supposed to be 275/35 18. So I'm going with a different tire soon. I have so much camber, the inside of the tire is already ran off anyway, but psst, nobody gets to know. Good. I think that's it on the outside. Cobra bumper, I mean, yeah, hate it, love it, I don't know. I got it for free because I bought the Cobra lip. Makes sense, right? No, it doesn't. It was a broken bumper. I fixed the bumper, and I only had to pay for the lip, which was what, 75? 175? No, 75. 150? I don't know. It's been like 2 years ago since I got that. Interior, kind of dirty right now, so don't judge me. I never drive this car. The last time I drove this car was like a week ago, and then I only drive it from and back to work once a week if I feel like driving it. We got TMI seats, racing seats. They are, I don't know what they're called. I don't know. I got them from LMR. You cannot buy them anymore. They are discontinued, I guess, because they are not that great. They are really not. Don't buy these. Really don't. Then we got the custom made steering wheel. I made that myself. I didn't make a video about it because it's a pain in the butt and it doesn't look that great. Kinda wanna do something else with the steering wheel at some point. But yeah, the whole interior pretty much got redone. We have a brand new called headliner. I did that headliner 2 years ago. The same with the carpet. It's a brand new carpet, which, as you can see, I never really got to finishing it back here. But who cares? I really don't care. Nobody's sitting back there. We got rear seat deletes, MGW short throw shifter with a silver ball because the stickers of the ball came off, so it doesn't tell you what gear it's in. But if you drive this car, you know what gear it's in. We got some carbon fiber stuff going on, like the A-pillar, the center console lid, that's carbon fiber stuff. And then we got some Mark 1 stuff going on with a billet aluminum silver ring right here and one right here on the cup holder. We got a radio that I don't use because I don't have speakers in this car anymore. We got a, what is it called? N2MB no lift shift box. I had a name. Anyway, that's in here too, pretty much just to give some backfire. Or the one time I was on the drag strip. I mean, there's more stuff, of course. that you can see like the Bbk sway bars front and back. So yeah, that is my car. Not much else to add to this. That's my 2003 Ford Mustang GT. I don't really have to show you like a drive around, because you know how my microphone is on this camera. So there it is. It's pretty dope. I like the color. The color never gets boring because it's always a different color that you see. Like when you see fake light, not fake light, but like light from those. It has like a light green shine to it, which the regular color doesn't even show. I hope you guys liked this video. Oh, the cowl hood. I forgot the cowl hood. It has a 2.5 inch cowl hood. Man, how could I forget about this? And I even touched it and opened it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this small video. I don't know how short it is. 18 minutes. Oh god, I'm gonna have to cut this down. This video about my 2003 Ford Mustang and all its mods. So yeah, now we have people pulling up in the parking lot back there, spying on me. This is literally just a parking lot for baseball, football games, as you can see right here, and there's nothing going on, so I don't know what they are doing in their car. They don't even go outside the car, they're just sitting in their car. So anyway, I guess we will see us next time. Let me know what else you guys want to see about this car. Any kind of, I don't know, any kind of tutorials or videos, just something I didn't do yet, you know, just let me know, and we will see us next time. Bye bye.